Welcome back everyone to the Sinex Tutorials channel. In this tutorial we will learn what are the themes and how we can customize the default ones, also how we can use light and dark theme in Flutter. So we have here our main file, and inside it on Home, as you can see, we have App Home, where I put some random widgets. Just some text and buttons inside a column so we can see how it changes with the theme we create. So inside our Material app, basically the theme is a part of Material Design. So inside our Material app we have a theme property, and we create a theme data. And just for a quick look, you can see we have a lot of options that we can customize our application. As you can see, this theme we just created is for the light theme, so we need to create a dark theme too. We set the theme mode, and inside theme data we set the brightness to dark on the dark theme and light on the light theme. If we leave it the theme mode for system, it will adjust to the phone's theme, but we can set manually the dark theme so everything will change. The example, the black text became white. Now I will demonstrate you how you can apply themes on your texts and buttons. So inside this text we have a property style, and we will select for this one the headline to text theme. And also I will show you an example about a subtitle and a body text theme. Add a color for this scaffold with the background color property, and we will give the background color. As you can see, the background changed into this shade of blue because our primary default color is blue. Okay, let's remove this, and if we want to change the primary color, inside our theme data we will use the primary swatch property. If we click on this deep orange color, we can see we have the orange color itself and different shades of orange. To create your own color swatch, we create a material color. Our first parameter is our color code. It starts with 0xFF, then it comes the actual color code, also int, color, and inside brackets. We will define this colors every shade. If we put everything here, it will be so full every file that in the future it will be unmanageable. So we create a new folder inside Utils with the name of theme, where we will put everything is related to the themes. So I will create two static const theme datas, one for light and one for dark. Now I will copy the theme datas from my main into this new theme file, and I will call it from my main. Also, here in the theme data, we can customize our texts with the text themes. We can use fonts we import in our folder, but we will use Google Fonts in this project. So we search our package and past in pubspec.yaml, and we click to get the new packages. Now in our text theme, we will select a Google font and we give it a dark color because this one will be in our light theme. Also, we will customize our subtitles with another Google font, and we will change the font size too. We will do the same for the dark theme. We just change the black colors to white ones. But it's starting to get a little messy, so we will create a new folder here with the name of widget themes, and inside, let's create a text theme file where we create a light and dark text theme. From our previous theme file, we will cut everything is related to texts and we paste into our new file that is dedicated for text themes, and we call this new text themes in our main theme file. We will create a style for our elevated button too. There is one more important thing. We don't want our user to access our theme using an instance of the class, so we have to make this constructor private. So we have to call the class name._sign. The underscore sign means the private sign in Flutter. That was it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. If so, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe at my channel for future tutorials. Take care.